Voyager is a mobile application developed by Clearmove for a seamless assignee relocation experience. Everything is contained within the application to help assignees keep track of the relocation process. With Voyager, every step is within your fingertips. Our Voyager app consists of 3 main sections: Assignments, Discover, and Profile. We're going to take a quick tour through the application. In the Assignment tab, you can navigate through the list to view all your assignments and request new assignments. You can also click on the My Expenses tab to view your expenses. In the Current Assignment section, you can see the dates and destination of your current assignment, plus upcoming events during the relocation process. Below, you will see your expenses, and you can add your expenses here. You can also take a look at your assignment checklist and progress. You can keep track of all the processes and services here. The Past Assignments tab contains a list of all your previous assignments, including the dates and destinations, among other details. You can review your past assignments and their expenses here. In the My Expenses section, you can see everything related to your expenses. At the top, you can see your total overall expenses, including those that were pending approval. You can also add extra expenses for a specific assignment. Taxi, dinner, all the related expenses can be submitted here. At the bottom, you can see all the past expenses you have submitted, including the dates and the amounts. You can submit your expenses by clicking on the Add Expense button. Select the assignment, upload the receipt, and fill in the rest of the form. Easy as that. We also have built-in chat tools to facilitate communication between different stakeholders. From HR to service providers, you can find all of them within our chat tools. From here, you can communicate and share documents with them. There is no need to jump between different communication software. Now come to your Profile section. You can edit all the information about yourself and your family members, including your pets. Health and safety are important during relocation. In the Health section, you can view and add your health insurance, your COVID test results, vaccinations, and your health risk category to help facilitate the relocation process. Moving on to the Immigration section. Here you can find the visas required during your assignment, including tourist and residence visas. You can see all the details regarding your visas and add new ones by clicking on the button below. In the Documents section, you can manage all the documents you and your family need during the assignment. From visas to university records, you can store everything here and have easy access to them anytime you want. You can also filter the documents by assignments. Here, all the documents are categorized by services for easy navigation. From destination services to travel management, everything is organized for easy access. Moving on to the Discover section, a tab where you can find all the tips and advice based on your destination. First, let's take a look at our country guides. You can find different countries here. Once you click on a country, you can find different information related to that country. First, the rankings. You can see the country ranking based on different criteria. Once you expand the list, you can look at the details behind each ranking. From the quality of life to political stability, everything is within a glance. You can also dive deeper into the country by clicking on the guide below. Here you will see a brief overview of the country, including some of the highlights and basic facts about it. Once you proceed to the Moving section, you can then find some useful information about living in the country, such as the local weather and bank holidays. On top of that, you can also learn some basic phrases in the local language here. Moving on to the Cost of Living section. Here you can understand the prices in different cities and countries and compare them with each other. Once you select a city, you will see the average cost of different items for that specific city. Once you add another city for comparison, the system will automatically calculate the difference between the two cities. You can also find the same information based on the countries. From restaurants to other expenses, you can have a clear understanding of the differences between cities and countries here. Moving on to the Quality of Life section. Similar to the Cost of Living section, you can compare the quality of life in different cities and countries. Safety, healthcare, climate, everything is covered in this section. We have partnered with HSBC to provide easy access to banking services for our clients. We understand how difficult it can be to open a bank account in a new country, but with the help of HSBC, you can do so quickly through our application. Simply fill in and submit the form, and a representative from HSBC will contact you shortly. Then we have our Visa Navigator. Here you can find some basic information about visas to your destination. From destination safety to entry requirements based on your nationality, you can find most of the information here. To help you stay up to date throughout the assignment, you can also receive pop-up notifications of any updates. In the Notification Center, you can find all the notifications regarding the assignments and services. Every update is within your fingertips. The Voyager app provides a seamless relocation experience for the assignees and their families, where everything is stored securely on our cloud-based platform for easy access throughout the journey.